Today we are ranking the most important ingredient in the Italian kitchen, Italian canned tomatoes. I'm judging every single brand on sweetness, color, and how much actual sauce is in the can. From S tier, absolute gold, down to F tier, watery, poor quality canned tomatoes. Let's go. Mutti, A tier, the king of the supermarket. Mutti has a consistent, reliable sweetness. You know exactly what you're getting every single time you open the tin. A true everyday hero. Cirio, B tier. Look, it is an historic, classic Italian brand. I used to love it so much. It used to be my favorite. But honestly, it is acidic. If you use Cirio, you have to cook it longer to break down the acidity. It makes you work harder, but it's still a product that if I have it, I use it. Napolina, F tier. Mamma mia, I don't know what to say. It's a very popular brand, available worldwide, but it's watery and bland. They pick maybe cheap tomatoes before they are ripe, so there is no sweetness and no flavor. For me, it's F tier. Ciao, B tier. It is a very solid choice, especially famous for making Neapolitan pizza base. It's good, but it lacks the complex sweetness of the S tier for a pasta sauce. San Marzano DOP, S tier. This isn't just a brand, it's the gold standard category. Grown in the volcanic soil of Mount Vesuvius, the only true choice for a Sunday sauce. Sweet, rich, perfect. But you need to find the right brand who has a DOP, and you need to make sure it comes from Italy, and you have to trust this brand. Petti, A tier. This is pure Tuscan quality. They process their tomatoes at low temperatures, which means they keep that fresh, bright, raw tomato flavor. Strianese, S tier. Inside the San Marzano family. This is absolute gold. The balance of acidity and sugar is so perfect. You barely need to cook them. Strianese has incredible normal peeled tomatoes and amazing San Marzano tomatoes. There is no sugar in the Strianese can. They just have beautiful sweet tomatoes. Di Vella, F tier. Another water bomb. Sad because it used to be a very, very good brand. If you make the sauce with this, it will separate on your plate, and I don't know, very sad story. Gustarosso, S tier, true San Marzano. When you open this can, it literally smells like an Italian summer. The flesh of the tomato is incredibly thick and meaty. La Torrente, A tier. Here is a chef's secret. Seeds can make a sauce bitter. Of course, depends on the brand. La Torrente gives you a beautiful, thick sauce inside the can with very few seeds, so you avoid that bitterness. A sweeter sauce, no sugar needed. Fontanella, S tier. Why? Incredible color. The juice inside is so dark and ruby red, it will make your pasta dish look like a masterpiece. Visually stunning, but sweet as well. Rosso Gargano, S tier. Grown under the blazing sun of Puglia in the south. This is not San Marzano, but it's beautiful. They have a deep, earthy flavor that tasted exactly like the land they come from. Unbelievable Puglia perfection. A classic spaghetti al pomodoro has 3 ingredients. You cannot hide bad tomatoes. So spend the extra $1, buy the A tier, S tier, and will transform your cooking overnight. What is sitting in your pantry right now? Please tell me in your comment below. I want to know. Be honest. If you don't have S tiers, it's fine. I just want to know. What do you normally use? This will help me to understand what you've been doing until now, and maybe that could be the issue that you're having and why you're not maximizing the flavors of your Italian dishes. E ora si mangia a S tier canned tomato.